hopefully at the end of life, you will not be disappointed, right? Let's see. I mean, it's a 50-50 gamble, Prabhupada said. If everything is bogus, okay, then nothing. But already people think there's nothing. But if there is, then, you know, a 50% chance that you get something in return. And if you don't even try, you don't get nothing this nor that way. So it's not, you know, not a bad deal. A little bit of tapasya for some promised land of eternal life and bliss and knowledge. You can look at it. Yeah, he gave it exactly like that, just to make the point, the argument. So, officially that's already the time, right? From 6:30 to 7:30, it's 7:40. So we can stop here, I think. Okay? So Prabhupada ki jai, Prabhupada ki jai, Pralade Maharaj, Goni Taiwan, ki jai, Hare Krishna, thank you. So,